One of the most overrated and still one of the most underrated condiments is the hot sauce. Hot sauce can make or break a dish. A good hot sauce is determined on the heat, the spice, the temperature, but it should also have flavor. Not all hot sauce are the same. Not all hot sauce are equal. There's been hot sauce competitions on various hot sauce. There's been competition on various hot peppers. Not all hot peppers are the same. How I make my hot sauce is not necessarily how you make your hot sauce, but I'll guarantee all hot sauce makes your eyes run water. I like a good hot sauce. I don't know about you. The way I make my hot sauce is I like to roast my peppers and my condiments, my spices, and my seasoning. But I also like to boil some of it. Because all spices, all seasoning, they break down differently. And as I said, not all hot sauce are the same. Crazy Chef, big vibe. Today we're making hot sauce, and I'm doing this summer, what do you say, series. And hot sauce is a big summer item, and I just think I should make a hot sauce. I'm putting together a cookbook, so I'm actually working on recipes for the cookbook. Hit me up in the comment if you think that's a good idea, if you think I should actually have a cookbook. Since I've been doing this for somewhat 27 years, I've been doing socials for somewhat maybe 10 years. So I think I should have a good cookbook. Hit me up in the comments if you think I should have a cookbook and if you would buy that cookbook. Crazy Chef, big vibe. Like, share, subscribe to the vibe. Hot sauce.